if you want to 7x your money, stick through this video. I'm actually going to show you how to literally turn $1 into $7, $10 into $70, $10,000 into $70,000, and how to turn $100,000 into $700,000. When I say this, I'm not kidding. I mean it, and I'll show you exactly how if you can stick through with me. So let's get into it, guys. What you're looking at right now is not just a chart of DogeCoin. This is actually single-handedly one of the greatest opportunities you've ever stumbled across in your life, okay? And once again, I'm going to break that down to you and show you in this video, one, how and why we know Dogecoin is going to crash to 11 cents. Two, what are you looking for? How are you going to profit on this? And when are you going to look to exit this trade? And three, what kind of profit potential are we looking at here? Are we going to double our money, 10x our money? Oh wait, I already told you at the beginning of the video you're going to 7x your money, so never mind, that was idiotic. Never mind. All right, so let's get started, guys. How are you going to 7x your money on Dogecoin? I'll tell you right now, it's not by going long, and it's not by going to $2.10, okay? First off, you have to understand this shit's going to crash to 11 cents. That's my prediction, and I'm going to explain it right now. So let's get into it. If you haven't realized, guys, you have a textbook, one of the most beautiful head and shoulders I've ever seen in my life right here. You're going to see, if you draw a neckline here at the support, you're going to see, boom, we got a perfect neckline right there. But what you're also noticing is the volume divergence. So look at this. As we go higher, the volume is decreasing. In the right shoulder, we have a decrease in volume opposed or compared to the left shoulder. Now, if you've taken our charts course right now, you already knew that. You are salivating, guys. You are salivating because, guys, charts don't really get this good, guys. Let's just say you missed out on the Bitcoin crash here. When it crashed here and we nailed this crash. Well, this is literally a better version of the Bitcoin crash that we're about to get here in Dogecoin. I mean, I'm not kidding you. If you watched our most recent video where we put out the idea of a Dogecoin crash, I told you this is the Big Short 2.0, okay? Trade opportunities don't really get this good. And once again, this is probably one of the best opportunities you've ever seen in your life. So once again, stick through with me here so I can explain this. But you got a shoulder right here, guys. Boom, as you can see. Rejection at 44 cents. And on top of that, what you're noticing is RSI divergence. So look at the RSI up here at this shoulder and look at the RSI at this shoulder. Clear divergence showing you how much weaker we are at the right shoulder opposed to the left shoulder, right? So you've got volume divergence, RSI divergence, you've got a neckline that's barely holding on because once again, each time we get to the support, less and less volume is actually there. Less and less buyers are actually there, right? So look at this volume right here. Look at the buyers that come in right here. So look at the volume here. See it? Big, right? Let's look at the next time we get here to the support. Boom, right here. Look at the volume right there. Okay, so you got a decrease right there. Now let's look at the next time we get here. Boom, right here. You can see, look at the volume. Once again, decreasing. Boom, we get here. Look at this volume right here, guys. Look at the support. Boom, we get support here. Look at the volume. Once again, decreasing, although this is actually an increase in relation to this time. But now look at this time. We're getting here to the support of the neckline. Look at the volume, guys. It's the lowest volume we've gotten yet. Almost non-existent in relation to this support, and this support. Do you see how the volume is literally like a fourth of this support level, right? It's literally a half of this support. It's half of this support. So once again, what does that tell you? Less and less buyers are actually here. So when you have an RSI divergence, a volume divergence, and on top of that, a huge meteoric rise followed by a loss of momentum and slowdown, you are literally tracking for one of the greatest crashes in the history of the financial markets. And we are here to take advantage, guys. This is going to be absolutely incredible. And I'm actually going to get into the beauty in this is how much money can you make? How do you do it? Okay, that's what I really want to explain to you. But before we get into that, real quickly, the head and shoulders target here, as you can see, right? So here's the support of the head and shoulders, as I've shown you in many, many videos, right? You've got the target here based on that length that I've just calculated right there. You bring that down, you're looking at an 11-cent Dogecoin, okay? So this is pretty incredible stuff because if you look at the Bitcoin chart, remember when we nailed this crash and nobody believed us? I had guys laughing in the comment section saying I was an idiot and that the bull run wasn't over. Well, look at this neckline here, okay? Then look at the head down to the neckline. You bring this down, and you exceeded that price target. So what you need to understand about these head and shoulders targets is oftentimes they're actually going to be exceeded. And if you're a logical person, then we all know that Dogecoin has no business being up here in La La Land. So it would make sense that Dogecoin goes right back to fucking 6-7 cents. Okay, so guys, I know it doesn't seem like it right now because it seems like everyone loves it. Okay, what you don't realize is how, crowds will fizzle out real quickly, and all of a sudden what everyone loved, everyone will hate real quickly. Just like everyone loved Elon Musk here, right? Now everyone hates Elon Musk there. So it's the same thing, right? Everyone loves Dogecoin now. Just wait till they fucking, wait till it's here. No one's going to love it. No one's going to care about it, okay? So you have to see these things before they happen. I've shown and pointed out a couple things here in the chart that would indicate that. And guys, once again, this is just such an incredible opportunity. I hope some of you realize it. I think probably 20% of people watching this video understand how incredible this opportunity is. So once again, I want to actually get into the profitability, how you can do this, how much money you can make now, and what are you looking for on the entry? Okay, so what you need to understand is today we actually had a fake break of this neckline. Let's zoom out here to the 1-day chart. And once again, on trading view, it's the same exact thing. Okay, you can see the head and shoulders neckline right here. So we actually pierced through it currently. But you've seen that before, right? We pierce through the neckline here. We pierce through the neckline here. We pierce through the neckline here. What do you actually notice after each pierce of the neckline? Okay, so look, pierce the neckline here. What do we have? A green day after. Pierce the neckline, green day after. Pierce the neckline, green day after. Pierce the neckline, green day after. Pierce of the neckline, and I know a lot of you are thinking, oh, let's get bullish for a day. Okay, but guys, this thing is like a Jenga tower. Okay, it's on its last blocks before it collapses. Okay, so another characteristic I'm going to point out, right? I just went over the pierce, rise, pierce, rise, pierce, rise. Well, what I didn't add was the third step in this little sequence we get, right? So we get a pierce, rise, drop, pierce, rise, drop, pierce, rise, drop, pierce, only rise, okay? But we've seen on 4 pierces of the neckline, it had the same sequence. Pierce, rise, drop. Only one time did it pierce and only rise, okay? But still, guys, this is super cool stuff. Once again, it's attention to detail and understanding the charts that's really going to separate you from the rest. So if we know that 3 out of 4 times we've had this sequence of pierce, rise, drop, sure, you could be logical. You could make money to the long side for a day. But once again, guys, getting back to this example of how it's kind of like a Jenga tower, and it's so close to collapsing, guys. I don't want to mess around. I don't want to be bullish on this thing for even a day, and that's just me. You can disagree, and that's cool, but ultimately, right, what's the end result? What's the real target? What's the real accomplishment we're going for here? It's the catastrophic collapse to 11 cents, which is really going to make you a lot of money, right? Not some cheeky 1-day call play, right? Long play. It's the real move, the big move that you want to focus on. And for that reason, I'm not even going to try to play this long for a day. I want to actually use that day to start accumulating a short position, okay? So before we get into what are you looking for to enter officially into this trade, you got to know where do you even, trade Doge and short it on leverage, okay? So this is the platform we use. It's called Bybit. Now, you do need a VPN to access this platform if you're in the US, but I'll have this linked for you down in the description of this video and in the comment section. I'll have this article linked for you that'll explain it all to you. And then we also have an affiliate link that you can sign up with. It's completely optional. You don't have to use our affiliate link, but it will give you less fees and commissions, which does add up quite a bit on a big trade like this. Okay, so once you set up your account on Bybit, you're going to go to the Trade tab, and you're going to go to USDT Perpetual, scroll down to Doge USDT, and this is where you can actually trade Doge, okay? So this is where you can short it. You can choose your leverage here on the right side. You can choose isolated or cross margin. Obviously, stick to isolated margin. And guys, if you have any questions on how to, work this platform, make sure you schedule a 20-minute call on our website. That's free, and I can help you place this trade if need be. But ultimately, guys, this is where you would short Dogecoin. It's a new feature that they just added like 4 days ago, and it's the feature I didn't know I needed. Okay, so came just in time. Thank you, Bybit, and I cannot wait, okay, because the time is coming, and I truly believe this will be one of the greatest shorting opportunities in the history of trading. So guys, I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys are as excited as me. I think this could be a life-changing opportunity for so many. But at the end of the day, use money you're willing and able to lose. And so guys, once again, this is literally an opportunity to 7x your money. I actually want to prove that to you right here. Okay, so let's say you're shorting Dogecoin right now. Okay, so the price here is, as you can see, 33 cents. Okay, so order price 33 cents. And let's say you want to put, $10,000 into this trade. Okay, so you can see here, if you put in quantity 160,000, you're actually shorting $10,000. $10,000 USDT of DogeCoin. Okay, so let's actually go and put this in the calculator, which is really cool feature Bybit has. You can see how much you would actually profit, right? So with an order price of 33 cents and 33.38 cents, you're going to see with this entry price and with 160,000 contracts, and if you close it at 11 cents, you're looking at a $35,808 profit. Okay, so if you put $10,792 into this trade, you will walk away with a $35,808 if we drop to 11 cents. Okay, now if we actually switch this to 10x margin and actually show you this, check this out. You're going to notice that this 160,000 contracts on 10x leverage is only 5,400 USDT, right? So once again, if you're trying to put $10,000 into this trade, well, you're going to need to double what you have here into 320,000 there. Now you have $10,000 into this trade. Okay, now if we input and copy and paste these numbers in, well, on 10x leverage to put $10,000 in trade, you're going to need 320,000 contracts. So copy and paste that on 10x leverage with an entry price here at now 33,343. Paste that, and a closing price at, by the way, right here at 11 cents, you're actually looking at a $71,776 profit. So ROI, 670% return. You are literally putting $10,000 into the trade to make $71,000. So you basically turn $10,000 into $80,000. The same is true if you put $100,000, right? Depending on the capital you want to allocate into this trade, you are looking and tracking for a 650% ROI. Okay, so that's pretty cool feature you have here on Bybit. Is literally a calculator where if you put in your entry price, your leverage, quantity, you can actually see how much you're going to make with which exit price. Okay, so this video is getting long enough, guys, but I hope you can tell that this is one of the most incredible trading opportunities that you're ever going to see, in my opinion, and nobody is talking about it yet. As a matter of fact, once this crashes, it's going to be all over the news, guys, and you're going to have a bunch of guys who claim that they predicted the crash. As a matter of fact, you're also going to have some guys who are probably going to copy my video, copy my analysis, and they're going to post it to their 300,000, 500,000 subscribers and basically take credit for this original content here. And they're going to get all the views. Meanwhile, this video is probably going to get like 500 views, okay? Now, that's besides the point. The next point I'm really trying to make is that a lot of sheep traders or investors or people out there are going to say, oh, it only dropped because Elon Musk tweeted, right? There's going to be some kind of news catalyst here, I'm sure, that will, suit or basically complement this pattern in what's developing here. So you're going to have a bunch of idiots out there that are going to say, oh, this guy's so lucky, it only dropped because Elon Musk tweeted. Oh, he's lucky because, this happened, Shiba Inu died or something. Some stupid shit like this, right? What you have to understand is the charts are a visual depiction and representation of what's really going on in the world and what's going to happen next. So this chart already pretty much factors in whatever news catalyst is gonna come forward here. Okay, so to say that, it's idiotic, but I can't stop people from saying stupid stuff like that. A great example of this would be, guys, if you remember the Bitcoin crash that we predicted, I made my prediction video right here when we were at 51,000. The next day Elon Musk tweets and it drops. Okay, so what you have to realize is people were bullish here. They said this is an amazing buy the dip opportunity, and they got crushed, right? You had guys say the bull run's not over, going to 75K, 100K, blah, blah, blah. And then when it crashes, they're like, oh, you obviously crashed. Elon Musk tweeted. Guys, you can't predict when Elon Musk is going to tweet, but what you can predict is these things based on the charts. And so maybe instead of going to the story, you realize, maybe Elon Musk tweeted because of the formation in the chart. It was running out of gas. It was running out of momentum. You're not getting a return on your investment whatsoever here for, multiple months straight. Maybe that's why Elon Musk tweeted, guys. And I'm not saying he's actually sitting here looking at the chart thinking, oh, look at this, it's a head and shoulders. Let me, crash the price of Bitcoin. No, I mean, the charts are literally a, it is literally a representation of what's going to happen in this world. But you can't fake the movement of prices, and that's exactly what charts do. So I'm sure a lot of people are, either disagreeing with me or they're not really seeing eye to eye with me. But if you see eye to eye with me and you understand this, like kind of what I'm getting at, it's kind of hard to explain. You just have to understand it. Then I thank you, and I'm glad I have some like-minded individuals on my side. That being said, guys, that's my prediction. The Doge crash is coming. Start accumulating short positions. Make sure you go through the link in the description. Use our affiliate link if you want to get the less commissions and fees on this trade. But guys, ultimately, this is a huge trade. And I joked around about it. And I said it's the Big Short 2.0, but that's not a joke. This is an incredible opportunity. I don't know, Michael Burry should be on this. If anyone knows Michael Burry, have him reach out to me at tradingonfridays@protonmail.com, or have him basically reach out on my site so we can help him get in this trade as well. I think he'd be salivating if he saw what I'm seeing. And guys, I hope you are as well. So guys, once again, this is a huge trade. I don't want you to mess this up, okay? So if you're willing to put on a big bet on this with me, if you're willing to go in this, because this is life-changing, stuff here. This is an incredible opportunity where you can literally 7x your money, okay? Let's say it's even half as good as, what I think it's going to be. Let's say it's 3.5x your money. You're still going to make a crap ton of money, and that's an amazing trade, guys. So, guys, like I said, I don't want you to mess up an amazing opportunity. So if you want to guaranteed take advantage and profit on this with me, obviously through a coaching program, I tell you exactly when to get in, exactly when to get out based on your account size. And guys, you can actually pay in Bitcoin now on our site. And anyone who does pay in Bitcoin does get 10% off. Keep that in mind. That is the only discount we offer here at Crash Trading. But guys, this video has been long enough. There are so many details I would love to cover, but once again, this video is just super long. If we need a part 2, we can do it. But ultimately, guys, the best way to take advantage is by scheduling a 20-minute call or working one-on-one with me here on our website. So guys, 2 things. One, if someone is in contact with Michael Burry, make sure he reaches out to me. 2, if we know of any good videographers that could record this documentary and historical event of us shorting this DogeCoin crash, let me know. And 3, let's rock and roll and make some money. This is the Big Short 2.0 crash trading version, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. So start accumulating those positions if you believe in this trade with me. But guys, ultimately, I always get scared for other people when they do this on their own, because I know that if you do it with me, I can really guarantee your success on this trade. So final thing, guys, remember, everyone's going to talk about this crash after it happens. The news are going to talk about it. They're going to say it's because of Elon Musk. They're going to say whatever it is, right? But you guys know who really called this shit before it happened. So guys, welcome to Crash Trading. Thank you for watching. My name is Alex, and the last free benefit that's going to help you if you're a subscriber to this channel is our free WhatsApp group here that you can join. I sent out a message here today. I said the breakthrough on Doge is not confirmed yet. Be careful out there, guys. So I send out helpful stuff like this in our WhatsApp group, and I send out video notifications so you don't miss them in case YouTube doesn't send you a notification. So that link to join our WhatsApp group will be in the comment section of this video. I'll also leave it in the description of this video as well. So make sure you join that as well if you are a loyal subscriber to this channel. That being said, guys, we called it here first before it happened. This shit still hasn't happened. I'm already saying it happened. So you guys know what it is. All right. And once again, if you made it to the end here, I really appreciate it. Let me know if you made it to the end. Once again, I really, really appreciate it. So let's rock and roll. Let's make some money, guys. My name is Alex. Schedule a 20-minute call today so I can get you in this and help you make money on this opportunity. Once again, I do believe this could be a life-changing trade for a lot of people. So let's do it, guys. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye.